Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting essentials. Install the .NET SDK 6. 0 or later so the runtime and compiler are available. Make sure .NET Info returns expected SDKs. Next, install Visual Studio Code and add the VB. NET-aware extension. This gives you IntelliSense and task integration. Create a project directory, run .NET New Console lang VB to scaffold files, then open that folder in code. Once done, you have a workspace, a program, VB file, and a buildable project ready for configuration. You now configure build and debug. Use codes run and debug to auto-generate launch. JSON and tasks. JSON, then verify the pre-launch task runs .NET build. Edit tasks to set the correct working directory and args because that ensures the debugger finds your assembly. Install an extension that provides VB linter and snippets. This improves feedback and speeds coding. Once configured, run the build task, then start debugging. Make sure breakpoints bind. If not, recheck paths in launch. JSON and the project's output path. You finish by running and validating. Use .NET Run for quick execution, or press F5 to launch with the debugger attached so you can step through code. Run unit tests with .NET Test to confirm behavior across scenarios. If something goes wrong, inspect the problems and terminal panels for build output. Make sure .NET Restore completed, and verify the SDK path used by code matches .NET Info. One key troubleshooting tip. If breakpoints are skipped, rebuild with debug configuration and clear old bin.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.